Here we are with Karen Tafreshi in Health at Last Fountain Valley. So how has your experience been being a franchisee of Health at Last?
It's been awesome. Just to start off really swiftly here, I've been a chiropractor for over 18 years, practicing with my husband. We've done a little bit of everything. The only time, though, I feel like I have been successful with chiropractic has been since I've joined the franchise. So it's been an awesome experience. I couldn't ask for anything more, especially since I don't have to do all the legwork. I have two people involved that are really Steph and Wayne Higashi, who have just been awesome. Anything new out there, they're bringing it to us right away, helping us to implement it. I've never worked with a medical corporation before myself, so that was really neat, learning how to get that all set up and work with a medical doctor directly. It's been awesome.
That's so cool. And how have you found the ease of implementing the different programs that Health at Last offers with your patients?
Not a problem at all. It's taken time. You know, everything it's a process. Let's put it that way. So it might be presented to me. It might be on my to-do list. It gets there eventually. But the good thing is I can call them immediately and say, listen, this is happening. What do I do? I'm not getting the response I need. Help me out here. And with their experience in the field with chiropractic, which is so awesome, they've been able to answer all those questions, get me on the right track, tell me who I need to call them themselves and have them contact me. It's been awesome. Very easy to implement. I haven't had a problem at all in implementing anything new they've brought to me.
Cool. And what benefits and wins and successes have you seen with patients by having an integrated health center with Health at Last?
All in one, all inclusive. So it's really nice that they can come, although our main focus is on chiropractic, everything that is around that's extra is all really based off of the chiropractic treatments. So it's been really cool to be able to say, oh, we've got a medical doctor here, you know, or we've got an acupuncturist here, or we've got this physical therapy, we've got massage therapy. It's so nice to be able to do that and not just say, okay, we're going to adjust you today, that's it. You know, because everybody has different complaints, everybody has different problems. So it's nice to be able to address all those different problems and not say, oh, you need to go across the street to the physical therapist, or you need to go across the street to the acupuncturist, or it's just nice to have it all in-house.
That's awesome. And if a new graduate was just coming out of chiropractic school and they're wondering whether they should, you know, be an associate, or they should just try to do something on their own, or if they should be a Health at Last franchisee, what recommendation would you have for them?
Be a franchisee. Yeah, I've had a couple of people that have been interested in the franchise that have called me. They were coming out of school, and I pray they go that route, because I'm telling you, you don't learn in chiropractic school how to be a chiropractor in the real world. Associates, I think a lot of them get taken advantage of, so I wouldn't recommend that to them. I would say go be an associate for a while and learn chiropractic. You know, get the adjustments in, learn your good technique, all those good things. But if you want to be a business chiropractor, run your own business, be really responsible, get a lot of people coming in, take care of a lot of people, this is the route to go. I never learned any of this stuff in school. And even after 18 years of practice, it was all hit and miss. So this has really been a straight shot, you know, straight arrow, hit the bullseye. I couldn't be happier. I don't think I've been this happy in years.
Good advice. And what if someone was wondering about how available, you know, the owners and CEOs of Health at Last are to be able to assist you? What would you tell them about that?
I would tell them that they would probably camp out in your office if you allowed them to. They're constantly on top of things, they're constantly calling, making sure everything's going smoothly, especially if they haven't heard from you in a little while. I almost feel like they're my mom and dad, you know, checking up on me, and I couldn't feel more secure, because I know they care. I know they want everything to go good, and it's not about money, it's not about, it's hard to explain. It's just like a family. They care, they want everybody to prosper, they want a lot of people to get well, and you prosper when you get people on the right track to health, you know. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what they're doing, and it's just working.
That's a good point. And how have you found it working with a medical doctor with being a chiropractor and having acupuncture massage? How easy is it to integrate and work and philosophically work together?
You know what, when you find people, you have to look. You have to find those special people that fit with you, your personality, and what you're trying to bring to the board. And the thing is, the ones that I have in particular are awesome. I mean, they fit with everybody, the employees, the patients. You know, if they didn't, they wouldn't be here. So I think it's been really easy, but I think you have to find those right people. And definitely Wayne and Stephanie have helped to do that. They're always there giving you places you can look for new people, you know, or they work through different agencies that find people for you. But let me tell you, it is a process, but once you find them, it's awesome. It's awesome.
That is great. So is there any other words of advice or suggestions or recommendations you would give anyone calling or asking about Health at Last?
All I can tell them is it's changed my life, and I know it's changed a lot of other people's lives, and by that I mean my patients, and that's what it's all about. I'm in this business to help people to get better, and I think whatever you can add to that to allow that to happen within your walls, because you have control of it, I can't see anybody not wanting to do that. You know, so check it out. I mean, if you're interested at all, if anything I've said or anything else you've heard or you've read about on the franchise website, I'd say go for it. It's worth checking out. It's changed my life, and it's changed a ton of other people's lives too in the meantime.
That's absolutely terrific. Well, we're super, super proud of you. It's an honor to have you part of our team, and we're also super proud about your husband, Dr. Mansour Tafreshi, as well. You guys are great successes and are contributing a lot to our field, so thank you very much.
Thank you.